Let me introduce myself. My name is Gusti Mahendra. Here I will explain my opinion about the new President Prabowo Subianto. Who is Prabowo? Prabowo Subianto Jojo Hadikusumo is a politician, businessman, and retired TNI general who has served as the 8th President of Indonesia since October 2024. One of the program President Prabowo. There are many programs and I will only explain one of them, namely free lunch. The chairman of the Gerindra party also presented his superior program which is free lunch. With this program, Prabowo want to provide lunch for all Indonesian children, including those who are still in their mother womb. Regarding the budget, Prabowo emphasized that his party has already calculated the costs that will be incurred in the program. I think it's a good program, although to all regions of Indonesia it may take a long time. In my opinion, President Prabowo is quite good. Moreover, he never gave up his struggle to run for president in Indonesia. That is all for me. See you next time. Hello, my name is Gusti Mahendra. Here I will explain the question words. What question words? Question words also known as integrative word or WH words, are words used to ask question. They are typically placed at the beginning of a sentence and require an answer to provide information. English has a variety of question words that serve different purposes, from asking about a person identity to asking about time and location. List of English question words: what, where, when, why, how, which, was, and whom. What, it is used to ask about the agent performing the action. It is used restrictively in relation to the agent of the verb and used solely with an animate agent. Simply, it is used to acquire information about the doors of the action specifically if it's human. Example: who is your favorite actor? Who is that person? Who made this cake? Who is your best friend? What? It is used to ask about things, not people. This thing can be the subject, the object, and most parts of any sentence. Example: what is your name? What are you doing? What is your favorite color? What is your job? Where? It is used to inquire about the location of the action or event happening now, previously in the past, or later in the future. This means that where is used to grasp information regarding the place. Examples: where do you live? Where were you last night? Where is my stuff? Where did you buy that shirt? When? It used the demand a fixed time and date of a certain thing that has happened, is happening, or will happen later in the future. In other words, we use when to ask about the timing of a specific action or event. Examples: when is your birthday? When did you graduate? When do you plan to travel? When are we leaving? Why? It is used to request information regarding the reason something happening in a certain way or event at all. Simply, it is used to ask about the cues instigating the performed action. Samples: why are you late? Why did you choose the restaurant? Why do you like this movie? Why are you not eating? How? It is used to gather information about the method and the procedure in which something is done. In other words, it is used to illustrate the method by which something has been approached or achieved. The method can be any series of steps used to accomplish any event or result. Examples: how did you manage to solve this math problem? How do you think I got here? How in the world has the crisis happened? How can we connect with God? Which? It is used to provide a choice between two options at least or more. The listener will have to answer by choosing either one of the choice, none of them, or possible all of them, and something, everything, and more. Examples: which one is yours? Which is your favorite season? Which team won the game? Which route should we take? Whom. It is used to ask questions about the object of a sentence, retrieval used with human. Examples: whom will you meet tomorrow? Whom are you waiting for? Whom do you respect the most? Whom do you miss the most? Was. It is used to inquire about the processor of a certain thing or even anything related to the doers of the action. Now, the action itself is not asked about, but rather it was demands information as to the relation of the result of the aforementioned activities to a certain person. What book is this? What key did you find? What laptop is this? What tool is it? That is all for me. Thanks.